Nnamdi Kanu was absent at the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja today. Hi, welcome to What's Happening. These are the top 10 stories. At number 10, Emirates Airlines is set to resume its passenger operations between Dubai and Nigeria on 5th December 2021. The United Arab Emirates carrier made this known via a statement issued on Thursday. The resumption of services comes 10 months after the carrier suspended flights to Nigeria after a diplomatic war between the two countries over COVID-19 protocols. At number 9, South Sudan's government has promised to end child marriage by 2030 in line with the African Union's campaign to end child marriages in the continent. Paramount chiefs from 10 regional states and the 3 administrative areas are set to have a meeting at the capital, Juba, for the second national conference on ending child marriages. Among the proposals suggested at the conference include one from Swedish Ambassador Joseph Wayas for a law criminalizing child marriages. At number 8, members of the Adekoya Solidarity Movement of Nigeria representing the interest of farmers in Ibadan, Oyo State, took to the streets to call for the immediate release of Yoruba Nation activist Sunday Ademu, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. The protesters started the protest from Mapo Hall in Ibadan, carrying placards with inscriptions like "Back to the 1960 National Constitution," "Free, Free, Free Chief Sunday Ademu Igboho," "He is not a criminal," and "Agricultural Revolution and Safety for Farmers Now." At number 7, the Nigerian Union of Petroleum and Natural Gas Workers has suspended its planned strike following interventions and engagements with government agencies and institutions, including NNPC. NUPENG's President Williams Akboreha and General Secretary Afolabi Olawale announced this in a statement issued on Thursday in Lagos. The union also expressed gratitude to the NNPC's group's managing director Mele Kyari and his team for helping to resolve the issue. At number 6, a former Nigerian Senate President in the Second Republic, Joseph Wayas, on Thursday passed on in London. He died in a hospital after a protracted illness. Wayas, who was an indigene of Cross River State, served as the 3rd Senate President in 1979 to 1983 before the region was truncated by a coup. Cross River State Governor Ben Ayade, who announced his death, described it as a monumental loss to Cross River State in particular and Nigeria as a whole. At number 5, the management of Dowen College has dismissed allegations that a 12-year-old student was beaten to death for refusing to join a cult group. In a statement, Dowen College strongly debunked the claim, stating that the student was injured while playing football. Recall that a 12-year-old boy, Sylvester Oromoni Jr., was said to have been beaten to death for refusing to join a cult group in Dowen College, Lekki, Phase 1, Lagos. At number 4, the Nigerian Communications Commission has announced that 3 telecoms companies have qualified as approved bidders for the forthcoming 3.5 GHz spectrum auction for the deployment of 5th-generation networks in the country. In a statement, the Commission said the qualified bidders have also met the intention to bid deposit as outlined in the Information Memorandum and are MTN Nigeria PLC, Mafab Communications Limited and Airtel Networks Limited. At number 3, GlaxoSmithKline says a preclinical analysis of its antibody-based COVID-19 therapy developed with US partner Vir has yielded positive results against newly identified Omicron variants. The pharmaceutical company on Thursday in a statement said that further tests will be carried out on the Sotrovimab therapy to firm up the results. Chief Executive Officer of Vir, George Skangos, said Sotrovimab was deliberately designed with a mutating virus in mind and hoped to address both the current SARS-CoV-2 virus and future variants. At number 2, armed thugs allegedly hired by the Department of State Services on Thursday attacked human rights activist Omoyele Sowore as he made his way out of the Federal High Court, Abuja. Sowore had visited the court on Thursday morning to attend the emergency hearing in a case involving the IPOB leader Nnamdi Kanu. Immediately Sowore stepped out of the court premises, the thugs rushed towards him and started throwing stones at the activist and his entourage. However, this is not the first time such is happening to the human rights activist. Finally, at number 1, the leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, was absent at the Federal High Court sitting Abuja today, the 2nd of December 2021, for the hearing of an application filed by his counsel pending the continuation of his trial over alleged treasonable felony, terrorism, and other related offenses. Though Justice Nyako granted Kanu's application for abridgment of time, however, she refused to accommodate further trial within December. The case has been adjourned to January 18, 2022. Always remember to wash your hands, wear your mask, and stay safe. That's all for now. See you next time on What's Happening.